Hey everyone, Sergio with the Rideshare Guy. We're at Curbivore 2025. I'm joined by Justin Holmes of Zipcar. Justin, explain what Zipcar is.
Yeah, so Zipcar is the world's leading car sharing network. We've been around for 25 years now. We help make cars available to people who just need one by the hour, by the day, over the high cost and hassle of vehicle ownership.
Our community of gig workers, obviously, over 350,000 strong. And some may need a car. Is that something a lot of gig workers are using as Zipcar as far as their needs of cars are concerned?
It is. Over the last year, we formed a very strong partnership with Uber. So you'll find Zipcar available in the Uber driver marketplace. That's been incredible for us. Our Zipcars are available by the day for Uber drivers who are qualified through the driver marketplace, who just need access to a car. And we think it's an especially great opportunity in two ways. One, almost half of our vehicles are electric and EVs. So as Uber and others create incentives for electrification, Zipcar is ready to enable that. And secondly, it's great for trial. Unlike other organizations, Zipcars are available by the day, so you don't need a long-term commitment. It's great if you're just getting started and you want to try driving to earn. Zipcar is a great model for you, and fully self-service as well.
So for us, the important thing is how we can benefit our community as far as earnings are concerned. So you mentioned the incentives that Uber puts out for EVs, and quite easy, obviously, through the app, they can go get it. But are there any long-term plans they can take advantage of? Because some of the Uber EV incentives are a little bit longer term than a daily basis.
Yeah, we're working on that for sure. I would encourage anyone who's interested in the program to check us out at zipcar.com. You'll find right on our top navigation more about the Uber program that has all the details that you need to make sure that you do the math, that it pencils out both in the short and the long term.
Yeah, absolutely. So thank you for doing this for us. Enjoy the day. It's a beautiful day in LA. And if you have anything else to close with,
Check us out at zipcar.com. We appreciate it. Thank you for all your support. And thank you for having us here today. We appreciate it. Thank you.
thank you.